Okay, parcel 2 today. We've got the last little bit from Cotswolds. Most of the Cotswolds have come in, but this is just, I'm not sure what this is. This is, the thing about shoes is you order them sort of a year in advance, so when they come in, you're as much in the dark as everybody else really. It's very hard to remember what you have ordered. But looks like we've got a nice boot from Cotswolds. Good tread on that. Yeah. Don't remember that at all, but looks good. Got a few of them. And we've got, what's this, a high-tech shoe, a walking shoe. We've got waterproof high-tech. Good tread on that. Don't know much more about it as yet, but we have the men's one in and people have said that's very comfortable. It's got a cushion sole by the looks of it. Orthopedic. That's good. High-tech seem to be back with a vengeance at the moment. They seem to be doing some good stuff. And that's the Cotswolds boot with the good tread. I think that's lovely, that. Waxy leather, so that'll help with the waterproofing. You can dub this over so it'll be extra waterproof, because I bet it's got a waterproof lining otherwise. But although this can be sprayed. Good zip on that. Yeah, I think that complements the Hush Puppies one as well, because we've got that one already in, so sort of a bit taller. So let's hope for a lot of rain, eh?